Yo, what is up, YouTube, man? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was gonna be back out here. Back out here in this spot, man. I told myself, man, I just got to come back here, bro. I mean, it's been like 4 days, which I feel like I wish I should have just woke up the next day and just came back to this spot where the big one was at, because probably by now I probably did their business and everything. I mean, but hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it's still there. If not, hey, we just gonna work and just try to find it. So today, guys, I want to try something different, because I know I was gonna throw the frog again today, but I might just try. I'm gonna try on something different. I'm trying something I never use for you guys. So I'm gonna put on a popper. Like I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't used a popper in so long. Like it's been forever since I used a popper. So I'm gonna give that a try today. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's an overcast, so hopefully the top water bites do go, because the sun ain't out. I know usually when the sun be out, them top water bites just be going crazy. But the sun is not out, so, and it's a little windy too. So hopefully we can get on some of that. But I just want to try something new. Oh yeah, and I don't have the family with me. Kiddo's back in school. Don't have the family with me, so hey, I can take my time this time, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it wasn't a struggle with the family. It was fun. Everything was good. It just, I know now I could just really take my time. You know, when they ain't catching, they want to just, they want to go, no. You got to stick with me through the drought. But yeah, if you guys are watching this and you are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give your boy a thumbs up. Just like the video, you know what I'm saying? Because I know it's going to be a banger. I just feel it. But hey, y'all know I'm finna get everything rigged up. I ain't finna do that talking. See y'all on the GoPro. So guys, this is what we're gonna be using today. The Auxiliary 3DB popper action. We'll start off with the old popper. Y'all know I got to start off with that top water. See if we can get something going. Like I said, it actually feels amazing. Like it's not hot, it's not cold. You know what I'm saying? It's just nice. Nice old overcast. And I ain't have a popper bite in so long. So I was like, hey, why not use it? Should have got it more closer to the left. With this wind blowing, it blowed it a little to the right. That's a little better. It's coming through. Alright. Well, that wind is just, oh, that wind probably OD too hard. I mean, it's still getting good pops through it. It'd be crazy I get a big blow up, bro. Cause this thing's still popping so hard through this wind. Oh, right here. A little dinky. A little Dwinky popped up on the popper. I need some, probably about 5 more pounds bigger than you. And I'll be good. It's so crazy, but the Bill Lewin, shoot, he showing up, popped up on it real pretty good. Oh, he hit it and missed. Bro, he was nice too. Oh my gosh, he clapped at it. I gotta come right back on top of that. He clapped at it, but he missed it. Oh man, grab my line. Instead of my rod. But that's crazy how, like, the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing so hard, but he clapped at it twice. See, the wind blowing, I couldn't really tell. But that second time, bro, he ain't even jump. He like spit. Oh, I had him. It ain't like they taking it like how they want to, cause if they was, man, this freaking popper ain't nothing but so big. You can swallow this thing easy. If you really just get a hold of it. Dang, but that was an opportunity. That probably could have been a nice one too. Cause he dang sure was about that action. He was jumping over there good. Threw him on top of him. Hit at it twice, missed it. Came back the second time. He hit it, but that time the hooks caught him. That second time when he hit it like he just tried to come up and inhale it. Like I couldn't see. Like I say, cause the wind blowing so hard. Dang, bro. It's alright though. But oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Gosh. Sit down, baby. Oh, let's go. Oh, this freaking extra heavy. This thing is a freaking. Dang, he exploded on that thing hard. I'm talking about. Yeah. He's solid too, bro. He gotta be pushing about. Got some weight. When I tell y'all that was a crazy hit, bro, like he freaking clobbered that thing. My goofy self, I don't know why I'm walking back over here. I'm thinking I ain't got my pliers. My pliers on my book bag. Slap myself on the back of the neck. Sometimes your boy can be goofy, bro. Get back in there and get bigger, baby. So aggressively, and they just wailing it, bro. Like, what the heck? I'm talking about that bass. Oh, there it is. Almost slipped again. He's definitely a fighter. Oh! No! Gosh! He was about the same size, bro. But he is clobbering this popper. Look at the skirt. They is killing this popper, bro. See if I can get one. Kind of wind pushing up on there. Oh, that was a biggin. That was a biggin. Oh my God, that was a biggin. Oh, why they keep missing? Why they keep missing, Lord? Why they keep missing? Why they keep missing? Why they keep missing? That was a biggin. Oh my gosh. Hopefully they pushed up over here. I know that big one over here somewhere. There's a big one in this corner. Oh, that was. See, he flipped over on it, but how was they missing it, bro? This thing got open trouble hooks. They hitting it, but they missing it, bro. I think another thing because it's wind. How the way this wind probably blowing? What got them missing it? I haven't. There it is. Get on. Oh my goodness. Football City. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me see if you got some shad in your mouth. You are definitely a football. Whoa. Bro. I know y'all see that shad right there in the back of his throat, bro. Yeah, I had to save that, guys. I had to save that. Dang, bro, we got a whole shad, bro. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna let that bad baby go. Oh my gosh, you just a freaking football. You get healthy, baby. You stay healthy. Oh my goodness, bro. The aggression. But that's crazy. He got like a one pound body, close to 2 pounds. All that freaking fat on his belly, bro. I'm gonna try to work it around back to the regular corner. If I don't get no hits over there. Get your butt out here. Let's go, man. He just coming up and, bro, this popper action is for real. Yeah, you ain't got no shad in you, but I know you in here eating them. Get bigger, baby. Right across top of that grab. Boom. Yup. See, I figure probably across the water. Over there. They'll probably hit this popper. I'm gonna go to my other spot real quick. Try to see if that big one's over there. Let's go. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. That was crazy. How he came up and just bloop. So guys, I'm back at the spot where the big one was at, but the big one was across. Just the side I was at. I don't see the big one. I see a few bass over here though. Seen when he hit at it. Oh, he's fighting good too. Oh, stay down, baby. Oh. Get up here. Let's go. That's a solid one, baby. It's gotta be pushing about a 5. Definitely gonna put her on the scale. Woo. Let's go. Chunk. Gonna get a couple picks. Gonna get you back on the skate. Put you on the scale, see how much you weigh, and let you go back, baby. Oh no. Put a couple picks in. I'm gonna put her on the scale. I'll say she's like a 4, at least. She's about a good 4. Close to a 4, high 3. Yep. I don't know if I can see that, but she's 4'1". Thought it was a 5 for a second. It's definitely nice. Don't let that girl get big. But that big one was over here somewhere. The one that I know I seen that's like a 10-pounder, bro. You get bigger, baby. Ooh. He showed me the side of his body. Oh, he right here. He on it. Hit it. Get on out of there. Bro, y'all keep messing up my worm. Bro, they solid in here too, bro. They do not look that big in the water until I actually get them out, bro. What the heck? You got some weight on them, boy. These things are freaking healthy right at the top. Oh, look at that, bro. They just bamming it. Oh my goodness. Let me go back where you was at, buddy. Don't get mad at me. Let's go, baby. It's definitely a nice one. Get out of the water. I'm tired of you jumping. Let's go. Popper. Bro, and they all like healthy 2 yonder, bro. Easy 2. High 2. Pushing 3. Every last one of them, man. I'll take that. Get out of there, baby.